Today, we're gonna draw a snowman. I'm gonna start with the brim of his hat, and my snowman's gonna have an old hat today. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna draw a rectangle across. And then we're gonna draw just a big box on top, essentially. So this hat's gonna be pretty old. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a patch in the corner here with a couple of stitch seams. Great, let's get started on his face. I'm gonna draw just a big round circle for his head. And then from here, I'm gonna draw a very small scarf. We've made some scarves before, but this one's gonna be pretty thin compared to the other ones that we've made. With 2 strips for the ends of the scarf. So we're gonna draw one big round body for our snowman. There we go. And then we're gonna add 3 circles down the middle for his buttons. I'm gonna make them black, so I'm just gonna go ahead and color them in right now. Okay, then I'm gonna draw the rest of my snowman's body by adding a 3rd snowball at the very bottom. Next, I'm gonna draw the arms of my snowman. I know most snowmen are made from branches, so these arms are gonna be a little boxy. These hands are gonna be boxy too. So just 3 boxy fingers for our snowman. And then same for the other side. It's okay if they're not even. It's very hard to find branches that are exactly the same size for our snowmen in real life. Now from here, we're gonna work on our snowman's face. Traditionally, snowmen have carrots for noses, so we're gonna start with our carrot actually. We're just gonna draw a nice big carrot for our snowman's nose. And then for his eyes, we're gonna draw 2 eyes of coal. And for our snowman, we're gonna draw a nice little curvy smile on the side. Great. Next, let's go ahead and start coloring. I'm gonna start with my brown marker, and I'm gonna color in most of the hat and the snowman's arms. We're gonna go ahead and speed up the video during the coloring portion, so go ahead and feel free to pause if you need to. Next, I'm going to color in my carrot orange. I'm going to color in my scarf green along with the patch, but feel free to use whatever color you want. From here, I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to polish up the lines around the patch. I'm gonna add some lines to the carrot nose and then probably clean up some lines around my arms. And there you have it, a simple snowman. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.